Facts from 9th Victory.
Marvelous morning to all. I am Sujanita from class 9th Victory. Today's amazing facts about foxes. Foxes are generally solitary animals that hunt alone. Foxes can live up to 14 years. Foxes can make over 40 different sounds. Thank you.
Short subject from 8th Rhyme.
Marvelous morning to all. I am Kavya Sri from class 8 Rhyme. Today's short subject. Punctuality brings numerous rewards to a person's life. A person who is punctual is considered trustworthy, and this quality helps to win respect in all society. As we all know, time is most precious thing in our daily lives. Thank you.
Hall of Fame from 7th Pacific.
Marvelous morning to all. This is Shamana from class 7th Pacific. Today's Hall of Fame, Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian American inventor and engineer who discovered and patented the rotating magnetic field, the basis of most alternating current. Thank you.
Newspaper reading from 6th King David.
Marvelous morning to all. I am Reshmika from 6th King David. Today's news, international news. Sri Lanka elections result highlights. Anurag Kumara Dissanayake elected president. National news, PM Modi attends teach CEOs round table in New York. State news, fire breaks out in Annamalai Hills in Tiruvannamalai. Sports news, Sumit Sharma header fetches India full points against Bangladesh. Thank you.
Spoken Hindi from 5th APJ Kalam.
Marvelous morning to all. I am Rakshita. I am studying in 5th standard APJ Kalam. Spoken Hindi. Aap sab kuch jante hain. Do you know everything? Thank you.
Tirukkural and its meaning from 4th Hero.
Good morning to all. My name is Alia. I am studying 4th standard Hero. Tupparku tupaya tuppaki tupparku tupaya through Malay. Meaning the rain makes pleasant food for eaters rise. As food itself, the quenching drought supplies. Thank you.
English proverb and its meaning from 3rd Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Jisatvika. I am studying in 3rd standard. I am English proverbs and meanings. Proverbs: a fool and this money also parted. Meanings: a foolish person usually spends money carelessly. Thank you.
State, capital, country, continent, currency from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Matra. I am studying science and Jupiter. Continent, Europe, country, Vatican, capital, Vatican city, currency, euro. Thank you.
State, capital and language from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Sasvika. I am studying 1st standard at America. State, Rajasthan, capital, Jaipur, language, Hindi. Thank you.
Flashcard of the day from the UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Aisati. I am studying UKG Penguin. Parts of a rabbits are long ear, leg, head, tail. Thank you.
Veg and fruit card of the day from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Rauf Mohammed. I am studying LKG Roses. This is an apple. It's so soft, vitamin A. Thank you.
Reading from the book of